Matching curtains and cushions not only adds aesthetic of a space, but they also add an extra layer of texture and color. However, achieving a cohesive look can be challenging, especially when it comes to finding the perfect pairings. So, we'll explore everything you need to know about matching curtains and cushions to elevate your home decor. Enjoy the amazing benefits of matching curtains and cushions. You'll get the benefit of finer room decor and cohesive interior design. This minute detail uniformity proves to uplift the aesthetics, charm, and elegance of the interior design. Furthermore, the choice of patterns and prints for both these essentials will add depth, character, and interest. You can make the sofa the center of attention in the room by positioning it in front of the window. How to choose an ideal color for a curtain and cushion combination. It's incredibly important to understand the basic principles of an ideal color selection for creating appealing curtain and cushion combinations. You can add prints or patterns to the curtain design that can be identically replicated on the cushions as well. Similarly, the floral curtain designs are easy to replicate on a small scale for appealing cushion appearances. How to pick the correct curtain panel for your windows. Always go for top quality materials to enjoy the lifelong benefits of your valuable investment. Choose the color and design for what you like and don't fall for the social norms. Create unique and elegant window appearances by purchasing complementing accessories, hardware, and decorative tacks. Always pick full-size curtains according to your window measurements. Perfect curtain installations account for the smooth functioning of the window treatments, so don't compromise on this aspect at all. Make the ideal choice of sofa cushions following our tips and tricks. To decide the shape of the cushion, go for personal preferences while also considering the sofa style. Again, the choice of cushion fabric needs no explanation because the only option is high quality and durable materials. Some important factors to consider for buying cushions and curtains. Fabric. Your first priority should always be to get premium quality fabric material that can stand up to devastating conditions without wear and tear. Measurements. Without having precise know-how of the window size and available seating space, you can't determine the ideal size of curtains as well as cushions. Appearance. The only thing that makes a style statement is the choice of style itself for both curtains and cushions. Budget. Set out a budget before making any purchases to avoid financial discomfort in the future. You should look for different colors and pattern combinations for matching the appearance of curtains and cushions. Also, the possibility to have different shades of the same color should never be ruled out of the equation.